What is going on, everybody? We are back with another weekly retro wax. This one is Donruss Classics 2007 Donruss Classics Football. 3 autograph or mem cards per box on average. 5 cards per pack, 18 packs. Hobby box. Joe Namath there. All cards are randomly inserted across. Insert cards 1 in every 2 packs. Alright, give it a whirl. See what's in here. A little checklist there. About it. All right. Okay. Didn't exactly rip like I thought it would there. Probably got a filler card here. All right, Tony Romo in a Chargers uniform. So that's cool. Michael Huff. It's kind of hard to read the names on these. Jake Delhomme. That is not Jake Delhomme. That's funny. These are funny. That is clearly not Jake Delhomme and actually is Vince Young. It says Jake Delhomme, Titans. Deshaun Wynn, rookie for the Packers. That is numbered to 14.99. Decoy. Steve Smith. That actually looks like Steve Smith for Carolina. All right. That was interesting. Travis Taylor. Jason Campbell. Decoy. Randy Moss, traded to the Patriots on 4/29 of 07, it says up there. Javon Walker. And Matt Hasselbeck. That's funny, man. Like those first 2 cards were completely wrong. Joseph Adai. That is not Joseph Adai. I think that's Lavernius Coles, but oh yeah, and on the back it says Lavernius Coles. Now that's funny. Rex Grossman. It's actually Bruce Gradowski. There's Deuce McAllister. Wow, what a nice product this is. That is, what's that? Tony Gonzalez, isn't it? Yeah. Autograph. May or may not be Josh Gaddis for the Jaguars. Numbered to 9.99. It looks like it actually is Josh Gaddis. Wow, that is crazy stuff, man. And then we got Reggie Wayne, which actually does look like Reggie Wayne. Yep. Front matches the back. It's like the carpet matching the drapes there. That's interesting. Tom Brady. Look at Tom Brady. How about that? It's actually Dante Culpepper. Here's Santana Moss. Nope, that's not Santana Moss. That's J.P. Lossman. There's Ben Roethlisberger. Nope. Kevin Jones. Decoy. Every card's a decoy in this thing. Michael Huff. I think that is actually Michael Huff. Can't get them apart. Come on. Yeah. And then Tony Romo, which is actually, that is actually Tony Romo. That's, wow, dude. I cannot believe Donruss went out of business. Hey, there's Thomas Jones. Nope, that's not Thomas Jones. That is Torrey Holt. Legendary players, Forrest Gregg. That is numbered to 1,000. Decoy. Darrell Jackson. I think that is actually Darrell Jackson. Yep. Peyton Manning. And Edgerrin James. So like the top 3 cards are all wrong in every pack. There's Drew Brees. Bet you didn't know Drew Brees looked like Larry Johnson, did you? Yep. Matt Leinart right there. Or Warwick Dunn. Byron Leftwich right there, looking like Eli. Lawrence Maroney. That is actually Lawrence Maroney. And that is Frank Gore. Larry Fitzgerald. Or Todd Heap, probably. There's Reggie Wayne. I think that's Jeremy Shockey. Decoy. Larry Fitz. That is actually Larry Fitz. Deuce McAllister and Rex Grossman. Silly, silly. Silly, silly Donruss product. Matt Hasselbeck. Corey Dillon? No, 84. 84, who was that? Oh, that's TJ. Hushmanzada. There's Javon Walker. Or it could be LT. Yeah. Randy Moss right there. Or Amon Green. Yep. Saturday Stars, AJ Hawk. Ohio State. The Ohio State University. That's numbered to 1,000. Decoy. And Joseph Adai. There's Joseph Adai, the real Joseph Adai. Steve Smith. Nope. Drew Bennett. Eli Manning, Monday Night Heroes. It's kind of cool looking. Numbered to 1,000. Decoy. Jason Campbell. Travis Taylor and Jake Delhomme. Oh, Tavares Jackson. Chester Taylor, actually. Clinton Portis? No. That's Willis McGahee. Edgerrin James? No. Mark Clayton. Decoy. Jay Cutler. And Sean Alexander. Mark Bulger. Wow. Chad Johnson. There's a rookie of Matt Spaeth. This one's got like a timeless tributes or something, and it's kind of foily. Wow, that's numbered to 50. Too bad that wasn't a better rookie. That's pretty cool. Mike Bell. Mark Bulger. Fred Taylor. Man, I wish that would have been a better rookie. That was pretty cool. Pretty cool looking. Mike Bell, who actually is Willie Parker. There's Donovan McNabb, that's actually Brett Favre. Muhsin Muhammad, which is actually, I don't know. Oh, Cadillac Williams. Dwayne Jarrett, which that actually might be Dwayne Jarrett. Yes, it is. Number to 14.99. Decoy, Algie Crumpler. Okay, we're still missing. Got a couple hits left, I think. Hopefully. Eric Moulds, which is actually Leon Washington. Got a Kenny Stabler Classic Singles, numbered 1,000. Decoy, Byron Leftwich, Matt Leinart, and Drew Brees. Frank Gore, looking like, man, I should know who that is. Julius Jones. Lawrence Maroney, looking exactly like Trent Green. I mean, those two could pass for each other. Peyton Manning, looking like, is that Plaxico Burress? Yes. We got an autograph. Marcus McCauley. Never heard of you, buddy. Number to 4.99. Decoy, Thomas Jones. Never heard of Marcus McCauley. Darrell Jackson, which is actually Braylon Edwards. Got a legend here of Roger Craig, which that actually is Roger Craig. Number to 9.99. Big Ben. Santana Moss, and the real Tom Brady. Would the real Tom Brady please stand up? Please stand up. Anquan Bolden. Nope, that is Steve McNair. Sonoris Moss membership. That's numbered to 1,000. Decoy, Marcus Colston, Carson Palmer, and Heinz Ward. So we should have a hit left in one of these two packs. Marvin Harrison. That looks like Chad Pennington, though. Vernon Davis. And that looks like, is it Tim Couch, or is it too late for Tim Couch? That's not Tim Couch. Charlie Fry, man, I forgot all about him. Terrell Owens, it doesn't look, that looks like Garcia, maybe. Alex Smith, wow. That would be, what, the year after his rookie? Alex Smith's. Sunday Best, Julius Jones. Number to 1,000. And a decoy. And Roy Williams. Not the same Roy Williams that lost to A&M by 21. Alright, this should have a hit in it. Lamont Jordan. Looking like, well, who would that be? Matt Schaub. D'Angelo Williams is actually Travis Henry. And we got a jersey piece of Vince Young, the Titans. That's numbered to 250. Corey Dillon, Brian Urlacher, and Brian Westbrook. That's it. So that was alright. I mean, obviously it was kind of annoying with all the errors in there. I don't know if that was common back then or if I got an error hot box. Couldn't tell you. Anyway, here was the hit, I guess you'd call them. Vince Young jersey was probably the best in the whole box. Autograph of Marcus McCauley. Got a Dwayne Jarrett rookie to whatever. Matt Spaeth. Timeless Tributes rookie parallel to 50. And an autograph of Josh Gaddis. There was a bunch of other numbered cards in there, but nothing too amazing. That one was Honors Classics. That was like $50, so I would not recommend that box for $50. Just my opinion. Anyway, that's it for this edition of Weekly Retro Wax. Thanks for checking us out, and be sure to look for us again for another one. Take care.